back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. My name is Sydney. I love to do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel, some DIYs. So if that kind of content interests you, I would love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload from me. Now today is going to be a part 2 decorate with me, and I'm sticking with my dining space, kitchen area, and my coffee bar behind me. So if you would like to see how I put all of this together, then please continue to watch. So to start with, I wiped my hanging shelf above my coffee bar with my Thieves all-purpose cleaner. I get asked often where this hanging shelf is from, and I actually got it from Hobby Lobby. You will most likely be hearing that a lot throughout this video because I love Hobby Lobby. And of course, the sign and this lamb's ear garland are from Hobby Lobby. I stuck with eucalyptus in our living room and decided to go with lamb's ear in my kitchen and dining room. They are both a soft green, so I feel like they still flow nicely together.
Taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Hang a towel on this rack here, and I just thought this towel from Hobby Lobby would be perfect for my fall display because it has the soft colors that I love.
Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?
Cute little hat for this gnome I got at Hobby Lobby. I just cut a matching towel to fit to size and then hot glued it right on. Now he matches perfectly.
'Cause nothing makes sense, no, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever may come.
I picked up these 4 lamb's ear stems from Walmart and put 2 in each of my Rae Dunn planters. I added some cotton stems to give more height and warmth to the planters as well.
I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me.
These pumpkin stems are from Hobby Lobby and they fit my planters perfectly. I then just added a small pumpkin pick to each one to finish them up.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Next, for my mug rack, I of course added a little lamb's ear and a couple pumpkins to keep it simple.
'Cause nothing makes sense, no, nothing makes sense anymore.
I thought this Hobby Lobby thankful sign would be perfect to hang at the bottom.
Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day.
We recently added this $6 peg shelf that I painted white to our window. I love the cozy feel it brings to our kitchen. Since it's pretty busy, I like to leave my counters pretty bare. I added a few fall items to the shelf like this grateful tea towel and this whisk and pumpkin spice bowl from Hobby Lobby.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing.
Next, for our table, I started by laying this pretty runner down. This lamb's ear garland was in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby, so I unfortunately didn't get the 40% off.
It hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense, no, nothing.
I also picked up 2 of these stems that have the same soft green as the lamb's ear and a touch of soft purple.
Fall into the unknown, whatever may come.
If you saw my last video, then you know I painted a pumpkin just like this in the same moss green for my living room. I wanted the centerpiece to flow with my living room, so I picked up another one and painted it this same green color. Next, I found these perfect candlesticks at a restore near us for only $1 each. I thought the light orange color would look so nice, and it even has a subtle fall-like print on them. I added these flicker little tea-light candles to the candlesticks, and it instantly made it feel so cozy.
I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
I found these ugly shaped pumpkins at Hobby Lobby and painted them this peach and bluish color. I think the weird shapes make them more unique and realistic. I also picked up these 2 as well that match the 2 in my living room.
Nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense, no, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost?
So that is everything for my Fall Decorate With Me Part 2. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video and enjoyed listening to the music. I always like adding my favorite songs, usually acoustic, relaxing songs, to go with my videos. It just makes it more cozy and relaxing to watch. Definitely stay tuned for more fall inspiration because I'm going to be doing a Decorate With Me Part 3 of my outdoor area. I'm planning on redoing my flower boxes for fall. My husband built me these really pretty flower boxes for my windows, and I just love to decorate them seasonally. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Thanks again for watching today's video, and have a wonderful and blessed day.